So what is this petition filed for? Main petition is by the. So you have filed counter. The child is with you. But heard learned counsel for the petitioner issue notice to the respondent. Counsel for the petitioner is permitted to take out hand summons to the respondent and also notice by all other modes of service, including serving a copy of this petition to the learned counsel for the respondent before the family court at Mangaluru. There shall be stay of operation and execution of the impugned order dated 31/1/25 passed by the first additional principal judge family court on IA number 2 MC 180 of 24. Subject to the petitioner paying bar depositing a sum of rupees 10,000.
55, your lordship.
Except for the moved matter.
55, your lordship. Any date at 2:30. There is an urgency because vacation has already started.
You can take. We'll take up the moved matter. Take up the list. Please bear with me. Please call up.
My request, my lord, that
All of this.
please kindly repeat this list to borrow, my lord, so that all will be.
Not serial number 47. Maybe have it on
Admission
15.
RPFC 176 Balram.
Yes, your lordship. Moved at the end of the list.
Yes, what is that? What's the urgency? What's the matter?
Your lordship, this is husband's challenge as regards section 125 final orders. Now, this petition was filed as early as September of 2024. The respondents have been taking time, but now that under an execution, he has been arrested today morning because he's totally unemployed. He's unemployable. In fact, he had a severe accident in 2010. The impugned
What
order
are you
does
seeking here?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What are you seeking here now?
Challenging the order of under section 125.
Where is that order?
Bombay.
So what are you seeking here?
Your Lordship, I have challenged the said order. At page number 38, Annexure A. Your Lordship, he was
Page number?
38.
That is the starting pass.
Yes.
Come to page 63, operative portion.
Now, Your Lordship, the reason is at around page number 50.
Whatever may be the reason, now he has succeeded, she has succeeded in the petition.
Your Lordship, there is absolutely no reason cited in the order as regards why he is awarding 1 lakh per month.
Sir, that's a matter that will have to be looked into by this court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now
This
your client is arrested.
arrested, Your Lordship.
So you have to address that first, then this later.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm trying
Even
to
if
say,
I grant a stay, will he be released?
no, Your Lordship.
Then
I will have to file another application
so
to get
you have to
him
move that. This is secondary. Now, if this court were to even admit your petition, grant a stay, subject to payment, you'll still have to pay that and first get him released.
Your Lordship, I have no money. I have the only money I have is about 3.5-4 lakhs, which I've been paying around. I have paid around 40 lakhs from the date of.
This is a revision petition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you contested the matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are not ex parte.
I'm not ex parte.
You contested, order is passed on merits. 50,000 per month is
Your
ordered.
Lordship, precisely that's the reason I have filed this petition, stating that there is absolutely no reason in this order, impugned order, which justifies the grant of 1 lakh rupees as the maintenance.
On.
As the maintenance.
On. What's your prayer now? What do you want here now? Interim.
Setting aside, Your Lordship.
You want this court to set us?
They have noticed.
Huh?
They have noticed this
Where are
petition.
they? Where is R1 and R2? Where is the respondent?
They have noticed, Your Lordship, this petition is
Filed
filed
in
as
the-
early as September 24.
No, this is filed in July 24.
Yes, July 24. Yes.
So you had no order.
No, initially I had an order, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
and it got lapsed. The interim order got lapsed. and in between he is arrested now.
The interim order, could you order sheet? Could you? So you want me to hear, this matter has to be heard.
Has to be heard, Your Lordship.
There's no time now. I listed on 16th.
No, Your Lordship, have it tomorrow because
Tomorrow it may not be possible. You can take a chance. I will, already list will be out.
tomorrow, Your Lordship.
And I'm in a bench in 2:30, probably.
Because I'll be remediless, Your Lordship. He is behind bars for nothing.
No, you can always go and move a memo, so get him released by making some pay. What were you doing from July 2024?
Your Lordship, I had an interim order in between.
If you had interim order, then how did he get arrested?
It got lapsed, Your Lordship.
Then what were you doing when it got lapsed? So you had filed a MFA before.
Your Lordship, there was a mistaken filing and then it was converted into RPFC.
When was the interim order granted?
Your Lordship, on the first date of hearing, I do not have it now.
Sir, you have moved the matter. You should have everything in your fingertips or at least in a page 4, A4 size paper. You have nothing. And a page 4, A4 size paper. You have nothing. And we are at 6 o'clock now. Call this matter on.
Your
15.
Lordship, have it tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow, if matter may not be listed, sir. Already list is out by 5. All right, try to see if it can come at 2:30 tomorrow
Yes, Your Lordship.
by a separate list. Yes, sir. What is list code? List code.
Therefore,
Yes.
petitioner's counsel. Framing charge. On the same day, my lord, the discharge application was rejected and charge has been framed, my lord. The allegation is, my lord, 376 is the major offense alleged. Lord, there is a delay of 3 years in filing the complaint. And this complaint has been filed, my lord, during the election period. After the
Take this up tomorrow.
No, I'm filing my objections.
arguable and, my lord, good grounds to urge, my lord. There are, one is delay. The second one is, my lord,
The accused has very good grounds.
SIT, my lord, is not a police station. The officer in charge has not filed the charge sheet is another ground, my lord. That is also required to be considered. Not ultimately, my lord, notice has to go to the prosecutrix also. And therefore, my lord, my request today is the trial may be deferred, my lord.
No,
till
no,
the-
I oppose any.
No, the only reason is this.
I
my lord.
oppose any.
Now the charge has been framed on the same date.
Cognizance was taken way back in the month of
Maybe,
October.
but the charge
It was
has
never
been
challenged. This is a case of serial rapist who fled from the country. Never cooperated with the investigating agency. Singularly responsible for all the, delay in the matter.
He is only accused of the offences, my lord. He can, my learned friend
Only
cannot call
accused
him
of
as a.
serial rape.
He can
only
say
rape.
only accused, not, he cannot conclude it. It is for the court to conclude after trial or this court
Charge
to.
sheet is filed.
Yes, my lord.
Charge sheet is filed, additional charge sheet is filed, bail refused. In fact, bail, I'll take the court through the order refusing bail. A man who did not even get bail wants to get the order quashed.
That's an independent, right?
It is on the discharge application which is now seeking for indulgence. On the discharge application.
Yes, and entire proceeding.
His application
To the
for
stage
bail
of the
is rejected on the ground.
Entire proceeding.
His application
To the
for
stage
bail
of the
is
proceeding.
rejected on the ground that there is a strong prima facie case.
What is the stage of the proceedings now?
Now matter has to, what is the
Before even, my lord,
illegality
getting,
in that?
no, there is no time for looking at the charge, the discharge application order.
He claims to be tried.
No, claims to be
Where is
tried
the question
includes,
of
my lord, my
maintaining-
right to challenge the petition under
Having
482.
No.
I am not saying, I'm not accepting the guilt. I am contesting the matter,
No, he
one
is-
or the other way, whatever available under law.
He
It
is-
does not bar my right.
He is stopped from questioning the order.
No.
He having
I am questioning
invited
the very
trial.
same order where it has been discharged. The
He has
discharge
not
application
disputed
rejected
making the statement.
and all further proceedings.
Where is your 227 application?
My lord,
Orders on that?
A very detailed order has been passed. May I request the court to kindly permit me to show from the order itself.
Yes.
All these aspects are considered. Page 26 is the order. Kindly come to page 43. Points for determination.
Yes,
Para 17 onwards,
3rd April,
the
my lord.
court has 17 onwards,
3rd April,
the
my lord.
court has recorded every material that has been collected, considered all the arguments. And the judgment cited by him, judgment cited by us, everything is considered. Kindly come to para 25, concluding portion.
Para?
25 at page 59, 60. Yeah, page 61. The charge sheet papers indicate that on various dates, several measures were drawn, and also the investigating agency had collected the voice sample of the accused in accordance with law, and the same was sent for FSL for determining veracity of the genuineness of the voice sample, to be compared with that of the voice in the video which went viral. Learned SPP has vehemently argued that the videographs which were sent for forensic examination, the experts have given their opinion that the videos are not doctored, morphed, or edited. The aforesaid aspects would only act as supporting material to the statement recorded by the investigating agency. The charge sheet material also indicates of recovering several articles which were kept under lock and key. Recovery of the aforesaid materials also indicates somewhere it corresponds with the statement of the victim, wherein she had narrated that she had left the job. Even she was not permitted to collect her clothes.